Hiring? Aren't you tired of hoping the right candidates see your job posts and apply? It's like trying to find a needle in a haystack. That's why you should try ZipRecruiter for free at
Good afternoon. My name is Russell, and I am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12. Are you in need of any assistance today, sir?
No.
I could help you cross the street.
No.
I could help you cross your yard.
No.
I could help you cross your porch.
No.
Well, I gotta help you cross something.
No, I'm doing fine.
Good afternoon. My name is Russell, and I
kid.
am a wilderness explorer in Tribe 54, Sweat
Slow
Lodge
down.
12.
Kid!
Are you in need of any assistance?
Thank you,
today,
but I don't
sir?
need anything. Proceed.
Good afternoon.
Well, skip to the end.
See these? These are my Wilderness Explorer badges. You may notice one is missing. It's my Assisting the Allergy badge. If I get it, I'll become a senior wilderness explorer. The wilderness must be explored. Caw, caw, roar!